Hello, welcome to TSF5 software. There are many fake videos in YouTube that show you passive income websites without any proof. But in this video I will show you both proof and websites, which I have used. Before that we need to have some basic design skills. Learn these two softwares, which is very easy. This is a free Figma tool where you can design anything, like websites, icons, banners, SVG, so on. Here you can change font size, align the content left or right. Or you can come here and click on fill color to change its color of the text or background. Try this free Figma tool now and create your own design. Next tool which I like very much is called Illustrator. This is Illustrator. You can pick any template and get started, or you can create your own canvas. Now, let us look at the 5 websites which really pay us money. First website is Noun Project. Here I create icons in SVG format. I have created around 300 icons. Every month they used to pay me around $30 to $50 through PayPal. Learn how to create SVG icons in Figma or Illustrator. Now let us see my income proof. These are all my stats. Here you can see the year and payouts. One small effort can bring a lot of profit. Creating SVG icon is very easy. Most designers will buy meaningful icons from this website called Noun Project. Now you have seen first website called Noun Project. We will see second website called as Adobe Stock. You can also see my stats for income here. For every download, I get $1. In this Adobe Stock, I create vector designs. You can make payout to PayPal or Payoneer. You earn money through uploading photos or vector designs. There is no restriction how many should be uploaded. Once you upload it, it will take around 3 to 4 business days to get approved. Type this message vector requirement in Adobe Stock. In Google, you will get all requirements to follow. When you design a vector, do it in an Illustrator software and save in version 10. Illustrator is very powerful tool. You can create any type of art or design, like icons, business cards, vector images, poster, banner, and many more. Adobe Illustrator is not free, but you can download another tool like Inkscape for free. Okay, now look at third website called as ETSY. Here you can sell both digital or physical products. I like selling digital products, so I make SVG files. Here are my stats. This is my total revenue. ETSY provided me a lot of profit, but remember every transaction has a small fee, which is billed every month on a particular date. Again, it depends on your country. Read all the policies carefully. Here are my SVG designs, which I made with Illustrator. I have paused my work on this website for a while, so I can also do my job in a company as well. Remember, passive income has ups and downs. You need to be careful. Every penny is worth in our life. Now look at the fourth website, Google Play Books Partner Center. Here I have made my ebook, which is all about my work experience and sold on this Google Play Books Partner Center. Here is my revenue. I am also trying to write another ebook which is educational. Figma tool has helped in making my ebook easy and fast. In this tool, you can export all the pages in PDF format or JPEG. Every month on 15th you will get payout to your bank. I used to get around 10 to 15 US dollars, or 1500 Indian rupees for one ebook. Coming to fifth website, Gumroad or PayHip. Both are good websites for selling digital products. You can sell vector, ebooks, courses, icons, or any digital product. You can set any price you want for your product and payout is done through PayPal. Gumroad has a limit of 10 US dollars minimum for withdrawal. PayHip has no limit for withdrawal. It automatically sent to PayPal for every transaction. Remember, your hard work will never fail. Every penny is worth in life. Be smart in what you do always. Do not depend on passive income alone. but also build multiple income methods. Where one might fail, other will help you. PayPal or Payoneer are recommended banks for your withdrawal. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe for more videos. See you again.